October 15th. This is day, I think 12. I'll post for sure. I got the puppies. It's hard to see them right now because shoot. There we go. Turn on the heat lamp so you can see that. So just to let the owners know, blue weighs 3 pounds, 3.4 pounds, and green weighs 3.2 pounds. They are by far the biggest puppies that we've had. It doesn't necessarily mean how big they're going to be, but they're chunky monkeys. It's not even quite 2 weeks, and they are just so cute. They almost look like the size of 4-week-old puppies, I swear. Oh, their little faces are so darling. Green, go to the back. There's more nipples back there. Yeah, he's gonna go to move to the back. Look at their little tails wiggling. They're so flipping cute. So as of yesterday, they started standing up on all fours and taking 1 or 2 steps and then falling flat, and then taking 1 or 2 steps and falling flat. So they're officially walking. Little babies, which is super fast too, probably because they're bigger, I'm assuming. Oh, he's going to move on to another one. It's funny when you hear when they latch on and the milk starts flowing, they're like gulping. I don't think I can get the sound. Let's see. Coco, you're snoring, Mama? Alright guys, I gotta get ready to go off to church this evening. My husband, their grandpa, will be staying home with them. So cute, oh my gosh. Alright, bye!